everyone, Emily here, and welcome to a journey unlike any other. Have you ever paused to really consider what Earth will look like not just in a few decades, but 1,000 years from now? What changes, both subtle and monumental, will have reshaped our world? Let's fast forward our minds and imagine June 25th, 3025, a date far removed from our present, yet inextricably linked to the choices we make today. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, doesn't it? Flying cars, teleportation, maybe even colonies on Mars, but the exciting part is that we can use today's science, our current understanding of the world, to make some pretty smart guesses about what awaits us. We can extrapolate, hypothesize, and paint a picture of the future based on the seeds of innovation being sown right now. 1,000 years ago, the world was almost unrecognizable to us now, a completely different landscape of life and technology. There was no electricity powering our homes and cities, no instant communication through the internet connecting billions, and no modern countries with the borders and alliances we know today. The very concept of nationhood was different. The choices we make today, the investments we prioritize, and the values we uphold will collectively shape the world for generations to come. Our actions are the building blocks of their future. So let's put on our explorer hats, grab our futuristic maps, and dive headfirst into the possibilities that the future holds. We'll visit megacities that dwarf our current metropolises, explore reborn forests teeming with life, and delve into how we might live in sustainable harmony with our environment, what we might eat with lab-grown meats and vertical farms, and how we'll travel across the globe. Will we finally have flying cars zipping through the skies? Will AI be our indispensable partner, our best friend, or something else entirely? And perhaps most importantly, can we solve the pressing challenge of climate change and create a truly sustainable future? This is more than just a daydream or a thought experiment. It's a powerful way to think critically about our legacy, the impact we'll leave on this planet for countless generations to come. So are you ready to see what Earth could potentially become, the incredible transformations that might unfold? Let's embark on this exciting journey together and explore the wonders of 3025. Buckle up, engage your imagination. Our thrilling journey to the future starts right now. Let's talk about the climate, the very thing that sustains us, that shapes our world. It's a complex system, a delicate balance of energy and elements. And right now, that balance is under threat. We're facing unprecedented changes, challenges that demand our attention and, more importantly, our action. Consider the long view, over the next 1,000 years. It's a time scale that dwarfs our individual lives, but one in which the consequences of our current choices will play out in dramatic fashion. What kind of world will we leave behind? What legacy will we create for generations to come? If we don't act decisively, if we continue on our current path, rising temperatures could fundamentally transform the Arctic, turning what was once a frozen landscape green. The implications of this are far-reaching, affecting global weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems around the world. Coastal cities like Miami face an existential threat. Unchecked sea level rise could submerge entire neighborhoods, displacing communities and reshaping coastlines forever. The vibrant culture and economic vitality of these cities hang in the balance. And Venice, the floating city, a treasure of human history and art, could become a ghost of its former self, swallowed by the rising tides. These are not abstract possibilities, they are potential realities that demand our immediate attention. But a millennium also gives us time to innovate, to develop the technologies and strategies we need to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. We have the capacity to create a different future, a better future. Imagine machines vast and efficient that vacuum carbon directly from the air, scrubbing our atmosphere clean and reversing the damage we've already done. This is not science fiction. It's a rapidly developing field with the potential to revolutionize our approach to climate change. Or consider solar stations in space, vast arrays of panels capturing the sun's energy and beaming it back to Earth, providing clean, sustainable power for all. The possibilities are truly limitless. With these innovations, we could not only stabilize the climate, but even reverse some of the damage, restoring ecosystems and creating a healthier planet for future generations. Our choices will fundamentally reshape where we grow food and where we build our homes. We'll need to adapt to changing conditions and embrace new ways of living. Indoor vertical farms, for example, could let us grow strawberries even in the harsh climate of Antarctica, providing fresh, nutritious food to communities in even the most remote locations. We could cultivate wheat in former deserts, transforming barren landscapes into fertile fields, ensuring food security for a growing global population. The future climate could be a cautionary tale, a story of devastation and loss, a testament to our failure to act, or it could be a story of human ingenuity, a triumph of innovation and collaboration, a demonstration of our ability to overcome even the greatest challenges. Will we face disaster, succumbing to the consequences of our inaction? Or will we rise to the occasion and create a thriving, stable planet for ourselves and for generations to come? The answer ultimately depends on what we do today, on the choices we make in this very moment. Every action, no matter how small, has the potential to make a difference. Our actions now will echo for centuries, shaping the world our children and grandchildren will inherit. The stakes are incredibly high. The climate story is still being written, and we are the authors. Let's write a story of hope, resilience, and a sustainable future for all. Imagine stepping into a time machine and setting the dial for the year 3025. What would the world look like? What kind of advancements would have shaped our daily lives? And most importantly, where will people live in 3025? Will we still be confined to the surface, or will we have conquered new frontiers in the sky, beneath the waves, and deep underground? Picture cities not as static collections of buildings, but as living, breathing organisms, constantly adapting and evolving. These future metropolises will be run by powerful AI brains, sophisticated networks that monitor and manage every aspect of urban life with unparalleled efficiency. AI will be the invisible hand guiding the flow of urban life. It will manage traffic with pinpoint accuracy, optimizing routes and minimizing congestion. It will oversee the energy grid, ensuring a stable and sustainable power supply. And perhaps most importantly, AI will revolutionize recycling and waste management, transforming our cities into models of cleanliness and efficiency. Imagine a world where waste is a resource, not a problem, and where every material is reused and repurposed. Skyscrapers will no longer be mere office buildings. They will be towering ecosystems, piercing the clouds with their ambition and innovation. These megastructures will be interconnected by sky bridges, creating a seamless web of aerial pathways that redefine urban mobility. Within these vertical cities, you'll find not just homes, but also schools, parks, and community spaces, all integrated into a self-contained urban environment. Imagine living, working, and playing without ever having to leave your building. Buildings will be more than just static structures. They will be living, breathing entities capable of healing themselves and adapting to changing conditions. And in a revolutionary step towards sustainability, buildings will grow food on their walls, transforming urban landscapes into edible ecosystems. But not all cities will be confined to the sky. The future of urban living will be diverse and multifaceted. Some will embrace the open ocean, floating on the waves as self-sufficient, sustainable communities. Others will venture beneath the surface, resting under the sea in stunning displays of engineering and innovation. And still others will burrow deep underground, creating subterranean cities that offer a unique blend of safety, sustainability, and community. These new frontiers will not only expand our living spaces, but also let us live in places we never imagined, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and adaptability. Nature and technology will no longer be separate entities, but will seamlessly blend together, creating a harmonious balance between the built environment and the natural world. Imagine urban landscapes adorned with cascading waterfalls, lush forests, and sprawling parks, all integrated into the very fabric of the city. Green spaces will not be mere afterthoughts, but will be woven into the very essence of city life, providing residents with access to nature and promoting a sense of well-being. And to ensure the preservation of these precious green spaces, AI will play a crucial role in monitoring environmental conditions and protecting biodiversity. The cities of the future will be powered by clean, sustainable energy sources, running on 100% renewable energy derived from solar, wind, and other eco-friendly technologies. The ultimate goal is to achieve a perfect harmony between people, technology, and nature, creating urban environments that are not only efficient and sustainable, but also beautiful and enriching. The cities of 3025 could be our healthiest, most beautiful homes yet, offering a glimpse into a future where urban living is synonymous with well-being and sustainability. The future of urban life is bright and green, promising a world where cities are not just places to live, but thriving ecosystems that support both human life and the natural world. In 1,000 years, AI will be everywhere and much smarter. Imagine a personal AI companion with you from birth, helping you learn, create, and grow. AI will revolutionize science and medicine, finding cures and inventing new materials at lightning speed. Every professional will have an AI partner, accelerating discovery. But with great power comes big questions. How do we keep AI safe and ethical? Strict rules and values will be essential. Technology will also merge with our bodies. Neural interfaces could let us learn languages instantly or control devices with our minds. People with disabilities could gain new abilities. This fusion of human and machine, transhumanism, will redefine what it means to be human. The future of AI is exciting, but we must use it wisely. Our relationship with technology will shape our destiny. What's daily life like in 3025? Your AI wakes you gently, your clothes adapt to your mood, and breakfast is grown or printed at home. With automation handling routine work, people focus on creativity, problem solving, and connection. Learning is immersive. Virtual reality lets you explore history or the ocean firsthand. Entertainment is interactive. You can be a character in your favorite story. Socializing happens in real parks or shared virtual worlds. Technology frees us to pursue happiness and purpose. Challenges remain, but life is richer and more fulfilling. In 3025, humanity thrives on creativity, learning, and connection. With efficient cities and vertical farms, we can return vast lands to nature. Imagine wild corridors stretching across continents, with animals roaming freely. Drones plant forests, and extinct species like mammoths might return, carefully. Oceans are restored with protected areas and pollution cleaned up. Super corals help rebuild reefs, and marine life flourishes. Even city dwellers have easy access to wild places. We shift from controlling nature to partnering with it. In 3025, Earth could be a thriving home for both people and wildlife. Rewilding is our chance to heal the planet. The future wild isn't just beautiful, it's unpredictable. Melting permafrost could release ancient viruses, sparking new pandemics. De-extinction brings risks. New species might disrupt ecosystems or spread disease. Extreme weather, hypercanes, megadroughts, massive floods could reshape the land. Cities must be resilient to nature's power. Evolution will continue, creating new species, some helpful, some dangerous. Humanity must respect and adapt to nature's surprises. The wild world of 3025 will be full of wonder and challenge. Coexistence is key to survival. Travel in 3025 will be fast and seamless. Autonomous pods zip through cities, freeing space for parks. Vac trains and vacuum tubes connect continents in hours. Hypersonic jets fly at the edge of space. London to Sydney in 90 minutes. Teleportation of objects could be possible thanks to quantum physics. The world feels both bigger and more connected. Distance won't limit exploration or connection. The future of travel brings us closer than ever. As we look toward 3025, the future is unwritten and full of possibility. Our choices today shape tomorrow's world. The greatest change may be in how we see ourselves as citizens of Earth working together. With creativity and compassion, we can solve even the biggest challenges. The future won't be perfect, but it can be better, fairer, greener, and more joyful. Our descendants will look back at us as the ones who set the course. Thinking about the future is an act of hope. We can learn, adapt, and build a world worth inheriting. The next 1,000 years is our greatest adventure. Let's start building that future today. Thanks for exploring with me.